egg, ladies and gentlemen. Over here. Over here. Over here. I got you. Ah! What are you doing? I got it. Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
Oh, God. Oh, no. QB. What has happened? How many beers did you have last night exactly?
47.
Oh, 47. Okay.
I had a lot.
Nothing out of the ordinary. Okay. Oh, my gosh. He had to collapse midway to the end zone. Oh, my
I forgot
gosh.
to count the 15 I had the bar.
Oh, 15. So what is that? Like 80? Oh, my gosh, bro. Our QB is just collapsing every step.
47 plus 15 equals 2.
Oh no! It's been about 18